Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Cornwall is one of the fastest growing communities on Prince Edward Island. Located in Queens County, it sits immediately west of Charlottetown and is only a short drive from the provincial capital. The town has a population of approximately 7,000 people and has grown steadily over the past 2 decades as more families have chosen to live close to Charlottetown while enjoying a quieter suburban lifestyle. Today, Cornwall is one of the island's largest towns and continues to attract new residents every year. The area has been home to the Mi'kmaq people for thousands of years. European settlement began during the late 18th century as farming communities developed throughout central Prince Edward Island. The fertile land surrounding Cornwall supported agriculture for generations, and the community remained primarily rural for much of its history. As Charlottetown expanded during the 20th century, Cornwall gradually evolved from a farming district into a modern residential town. Agriculture continues to play an important role in the surrounding countryside. Farms near Cornwall produce potatoes, grains, dairy products, beef cattle, and other agricultural products. Prince Edward Island's rich red soil is well suited for farming, and agriculture remains one of the province's most important industries. Although Cornwall itself has become increasingly suburban, farming still shapes much of the landscape surrounding the town. One of Cornwall's greatest advantages is its location. Residents enjoy quick access to Charlottetown while living in a community that offers quieter streets, newer neighborhoods, and plenty of green space. This combination has made Cornwall especially popular with young families, retirees, and professionals looking for a balance between urban convenience and small-town living. The natural landscape around Cornwall reflects the classic scenery of central Prince Edward Island. Rolling farmland, forests, rivers, and gently winding roads surround the town. The nearby West River provides opportunities for kayaking, canoeing, fishing, and birdwatching, while the island's famous red soil creates colorful contrasts against green fields during the growing season. Housing in Cornwall has experienced significant growth over the past several years. As demand for homes near Charlottetown has increased, average home prices have generally ranged between $450,000 and $600,000, depending on the property's size, age, and location. New residential developments continue to expand as the population grows, although housing prices remain somewhat lower than in many larger Canadian cities. Today, Cornwall combines modern amenities with the relaxed pace of Prince Edward Island life. Its convenient location, growing economy, strong schools, recreational opportunities, and welcoming atmosphere have made it one of the province's most desirable places to live. Whether visiting for a short time or settling down for the long term, Cornwall offers an excellent example of how Prince Edward Island continues to grow while preserving its strong sense of community and connection to the surrounding countryside.
Thanks for watching!